My name is Wan Jamila. I am an artist known as Art Jamila. In June 2020, I am 18 years old. I live in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. Since I was small, I communicate through sketches to express my feelings and to show my mother what I do at school. Art is my language to the world. At 14 years old, in 2017, I became an artist. I feel happy when I do sketches and paintings. This is my world piece painting that is loved by many. I have won many awards locally and internationally. Since 2017, I have been receiving merits as a featured artist for several corporate organizations, government agencies, media, and hotels. My stories have appeared in more than 400 media coverage worldwide. I have participated in several exhibitions and live paintings at national and international levels and have sold over 100 paintings to art collectors in Malaysia and Switzerland. I have created my own personal style of artwork. I combine doodling and naive art and paint with acrylic on canvas. My painting titled Journey of Knowledge was broadcasted on television channel TV1 RTM as a tribute to National Teachers' Day. Stephen Wiltshire from London is a savant artist who is like a human camera and can draw the city skyline of New York just by viewing the city from a helicopter ride and sketched the skyline from memory. I painted my memories of events I experienced and create my masterpiece of memories. My art is a manuscript of history in a form of visual art. My Unity Their City series documents the Malaysian Independence Day celebrations and has been awarded with several accolades. My Unity Skyline Series 3 was featured for Independence Day celebration 2019. This sculpture received 44 media coverage nationally and internationally, and the sculpture received the President's Special Recognition Award by MIP My Place Award 2019. My Unity Dance Series 1 was featured for Genius Curina, Kuala Lumpur mural painting in conjunction with 62nd Malaysian Independence Day 2019. My Unity Series 4 was featured for Danang Jamin Mighty Run 2018 and it was a success. My paintings titled Our Heroes documents the coronavirus world pandemic and has won several awards at Asian and international levels. The pandemic has changed my daily life. I just stay at home and watch the news to understand what is going on around the world. I compile all the stories I saw in the news and draw all the frontliners in my painting. Our Heroes Series 1 has won an Asian Award organized by Archipelago Asia. I received a consolation prize for the painting by National Arts Gallery, Go Gallery, Kuala Lumpur. It is also being used as a tribute to the frontliners by the Ministry of Health Malaysia in their daily social media reporting. The image was made edible onto 3,500 cakes for International Nurses Day. Since NCO was enforced, we could not travel out and must stay home to be safe. I saw all the police, firefighters and army control the movement of the people. So I painted them and the world pandemic statistic onto my painting. This painting has been shortlisted in a global painting competition under the category Contemporary Art. After several months of staying home, we started to order food. Then I painted a bigger painting and combined all the pictures I saw together with the delivery man, Grab, Foodpanda and Lalamove. This painting was broadcasted on television channel T1 RTM for coronavirus awareness. In June 2020, I was in the World Generation Z Creative and Committed Against the Virus together with other creative youth around the world. This story was published by Agence France Presse AFP in Paris and received more than 193 media coverage worldwide in 6 continents of the world. All these paintings are done during the pandemic for awareness. It is a historical manuscript, like a history book in a form of paintings. My life will have to change for a long-term period. I need to practice the new normal, like social distancing, washing hands, wearing a mask, avoiding crowds. The whole world is in lockdown. The world needs to change to the new normal to avoid a second wave of the virus spreading. These paintings show the new normal. All buildings turn green and people are doing social distancing. My Green Cities series documents the climate action campaign. My Green Cities Series 1 received several merits. It has been used to decorate hotel rooms for climate change awareness, and it was featured in the Age Property magazine Life featuring inspiring and enterprising citizens. The animals in the jungle are also happy due to the lockdown during MCO. No one destroyed the forest. My Tiger series documents the campaign against wildlife crime to avoid the critical extinction of tigers in the forest. My Tiger Series 1A was featured in the Age Property magazine Life, taking the main page titled Roaring into 2020 in conjunction with the New Year 2020. The seawater is cleaner too, less pollution to the water. I like to see healthy fish in the water. My Fish Mosaic series documents the sea pollution campaign. I was appointed as Impact Artist 2020-2022 by Via Talenta Foundation Switzerland. These paintings are digitally showcased at a world platform for sea pollution awareness. I am a climate and environmental activist like Greta Thunberg, but I spread awareness through visual art. Greta Thunberg is also a climate and environmental activist through campaigns for awareness to the world. My painting titled Heal the Earth had won Choice Award in an international earthly competition for climate change. I have proven that autism comes with remarkable abilities. I managed to break all barriers at a very young age, and my unique biography creates history to inspire others for the next generation.